In this video, we're going to address how to make phone calls home to parents using the Google Voice application. Now, please remember that this is a one-way dialing application, meaning you can use voice to dial the parent, but when you're indicating if you don't reach them and you're going to leave them a message to contact you back, you want to provide them with your school or your district voicemail extension. So 609-625-2249, extension 8, whatever, to reach back to you so that they can leave you a voicemail on the district voicemail server, and you will get notified via email that they have called. Unfortunately, Google Voice, as it is available today, does not have inbound numbers for our district application. To get started, we're going to go to hangouts.google.com, and we are going to click on phone call. And in the new conversation box at the top, we're going to dial the phone number of the individual that we are trying to call, the student, the parent in this case, or for this example, and I'm going to go ahead and click call. Now, this is going to pop up a box that looks very similar to this, and it's going to try to connect the phone call. So I have this dialing my cell phone. Hopefully you can hear that. It's ringing my cell phone as we speak. So this call can now go through. I can end the call. I can do everything I would normally do with a normal phone call, but I'm placing the call through Google Voice. Hopefully this clears up any confusion on how to call parents from the Google Hangouts phone call option within the Hangouts interface.